Welcome to another video on how to use the Usono ProbeFix Dynamic. In this video we're going to tell you more about the differences between our two versions. Both are being displayed with the ProbeFix Dynamic on the left and the ProbeFix Dynamic Pro version on the right side. One of the most striking differences is of aesthetic nature, and that's the color. The ProbeFix Dynamic has a more bluish color compared to the Pro. The other differences are of a practical nature, like these two extra brackets here. An additional belt can be attached for extra stability and safety for your probe when performing high impact movements like running or jumping. Other features are its 360-degree protractor and the marker arrow. This is beneficial if you need to know in what exact angle your probe is positioned. The marker arrow is aligned with the marker on your probe and ultrasound screen. As already mentioned, the ProbeFix Dynamic can be recognized by its blue color. One of its benefits is that it's always in stock and can be delivered quickly. In addition, it also requires a lower investment and can be a perfect match for your Clarius or V-Scan Air ultrasound device. In the following graphic you can see for what brands and probes the ProbeFix Dynamic is available. The benefits of the Pro version are the extra brackets, a 360-degree protractor and a marker arrow as already mentioned. Another benefit is that we have dozens of adapters already fitted. With the Pro version you can have multiple adapters for one base. In this way you can easily switch to a different brand and probe without the need of another complete probe fix. In the next graphic you can see the availability for multiple ultrasound brands like Esaote, Philips, Samsung, Telemed and many more. If your ultrasound brand or probe type isn't displayed in the graphic, please contact us to check if yours is available. If you need more information or want to request a quote, visit our website or contact our customer support. We're looking forward to meeting you and tell you all about ProbeFix Dynamic.